Mr. Beast was like, I need you guys to come to North Carolina to film a video. YouTubers compete for some money, whatever. No problem. Yeah, let's do it, man. Why not? He tried to book us a plane, like a normal Delta plane, but there was no planes leaving after the match because we had to go straight after the match. So he goes, cool, I'll be right back to you guys. He comes back a couple hours later. Yo, I'm going to book you guys a private jet from London to North Carolina. By the way, for people that don't understand, a private jet from London to America costs about 150 grand. So then obviously now me, Kai, Gideon, Nico, Sketch, AJ, Vicstar, and then Rubius, I think it was. There was a couple other YouTubers on the plane. So all of us flew out on a private jet. So we went straight from the game, caught a cab straight to the airport, but it's like a random little airport. Then we jumped on a private jet with all of us. It was outrageous.